Hey everyone, DIY Junkie here. If your bathtub is draining slow, don't spend $100 on a plumber. I'm going to show you how to clear that gunk for about $1 using the Volcano trick. And since this drain was extra stubborn, I actually did it twice. First, I'm pouring in a cup of baking soda, followed by a cup of white vinegar. Watch that fizz. That chemical reaction is literally eating through the soap scum down in the pipe. I let that sit for a few minutes. So we're going in for round 2, more baking soda, more vinegar. You can see the reaction is even deeper now because the first layer of gunk is gone. I'm letting the pressure build up to really scour those pipes chemically. One final flush, look at that swirl. Totally clear. Fast, cheap, and totally non-toxic. If this saved your bathroom, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick home hacks. DIY Junkie here. See you in the next one.